Okay, finally got that bolt out. That's the swing arm bolt right there. I think that's about a $35 bolt, at least, if you can find it new. So basically, in order for me to get it out, this is the end of the bolt that sticks through the other end I was talking about. That's threaded, where your nut's threaded on there. So this is where you got to bang it out. If you're lucky, it bangs right out and you can save the bolt, but I mushroomed the hell out of it, and then I had to actually take my Dremel while it was still in there and grind it out a little bit so I can actually get it to push out. Other than that, it would have been stuck in there. So this thing's shot now, which sucks, but they tell you to check this bolt anyway. If it's got any kind of wear on it, they recommend you replacing it. And the way this thing was stuck in there, I can't imagine that it's very straight anymore anyway, so I'll feel better with a new one. Not that I have a choice, but so that's it. That's the swing arm. Got it out on the bench. There's a look at the inside. That's the needle bearings that are in there. Things are disintegrated. That's some of the needle bearings there that just fell right out. So that's the next project. I got to figure out how to do that. I got a new kit on the way. It should be here tomorrow. So that's it for now.